My YouTube channel Learn with Ankita. So I hope guys you all are safe. So this is the last video of chapter number 2, acid, bases and salts. In this video we are going to cover the topics about salts. The entire salts we are going to complete in this particular video, as we have covered the topics of acids and bases. So this video is going to be entirely on the salts. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start with our video. So first of all, what is the meaning of salt, right? What do we understand by the term salt? So salt is an ionic compound formed by the neutralization reaction. Okay, salt is an ionic compound which is formed by the neutralization reaction. So whenever a neutralization reaction occurs, the salt is being produced. Okay, so what is neutralization reaction? That we have already discussed in our earlier lectures. Okay, its link is given in the description box. You can go and watch that video also after this video. Okay, so first of all, I'll be telling you what is neutralization reaction in a very short way over here. Okay, so whenever acid and base react together, they produce salt plus water. Okay, so the salt over here is an ionic compound. Let me give you some examples of salts over here. If I take the example of sodium chloride, that is NaCl, and which is commonly used in kitchens, as we talk about the common salts, that is the sodium chloride only. Okay, common salts are sodium chloride only. Okay, the another example, right? Calcium chloride. The another example can be calcium chloride. Okay, so these are the examples of salts. Okay, now we are going to see the chemicals which are prepared from the salt. So here is the list of all the chemicals which are prepared from the salts. Like we are going to study about the calcium hydroxide, bleaching powder, washing soda, baking soda, and the plaster of Paris, which is also known as PO. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe out my channel if you are new.